Okay, so let's take a look at example number 2. Now, we want to conduct a survey from to select 4 students from the list below. See how many of them walk to school. Well, now I don't have 9 individuals, I have 10 individuals. So I used this I would actually run this a slightly different way than I'm going to show here, but I wanted to show this example. So here, when I have 10 individuals, I would actually number from 0 to 9, or 1 to 9 and then add a 0 at the end. However, what we could also do when I have 10 individuals is add a 0 in front of those 1-digit numbers, right? So that all of these are 2 digits. Because if I number from 1 to 10 and then I have a 1 and 0, does that mean I should choose Stephen, or does that mean I should choose Maya? And also, it's a lot less likely to have a 1 and a 0 than it is to just have a 1 and then like a 3 or a 4, 1 4 or 1 5 or 1 6 or 1 7. So Maya has not quite as high a chance of being chosen. So whenever you have 11 or more individuals, I would number them, you have to number them with 2 digits. Same thing with 3 digits if we have 101 individuals. If we have 100 individuals, I would go from 0, 1 up to 0, 0. So we want to select our sample from a random number table or our graphing calculator once we've numbered those individuals. If you each reach the end of the line and you have not gotten to enough individuals, then you can just continue to the next line. So again, our 2-digit numbers here, although with 10 I would still use 1 digit and just include 0 on there. In our calculator, we could just go to rand 1, 10, 4. Now notice that you don't have to put 0, 1 in on your calculator. So let's do a little practice. A pharmaceutical researcher needs to choose 5 random individuals from the list below to be placed in a group that will administer sugar pills instead of an experimental drug. So we close our eyes, point to a random place on the number table. In this case, we randomly point to the beginning of line 122, and we're looking for 5 numbers between 0, 1, and 18. So first number we would choose is 13. Then we would go across 2, 87, no good. 38, no good. So the next number we would use is 15. 98, no good. 95, no good. So 5, 0, 5 would be our next one. 29, no good, but 09 is, and 08 is. And there are our 5 numbers. Okay. If you get to the end of the line and you haven't gotten your 5 numbers, then you would just jump to 123 and start there. So, on the AP exam, when you're conducting a sample, you must give specific instructions on how you got your samples. So, you must describe how you labeled your individuals in your sampling frame. You must describe your method for getting random numbers. So basically, how did you use your random number table? So close your eyes, point to a random sign on the random part of the random number table, go across 2 digits at a time, go across 3 digits at a time, go across 1 digit at a time, and then make sure you explain what you do with repeated numbers. Are repeats okay? For sampling, oftentimes no repeated numbers, especially if you're doing a simple random sample, so you need to explicitly state that you're skipping repeats. Right? Hope you found this helpful. Good luck with the rest of the unit.